ate. Thank you, ate.
You're welcome.
I love you. What do you say to ate? Aww. Ate got you. Okay. What do you want? Yes.
Have you seen my wallet?
What? Your wallet? Is it there in the bowl? In the bowl. Check. Yeah, come here, Didi. Is it there? Yeah. Huh?
Mom,
I need to prepare their lunch, my love.
Mommy, I have to buy anything for this. Mom.
What is it? How much?
What?
How much do you have there?
200.
200. Dang.
See, Mom?
Maybe that's a different currency, baby. Not an Australian one. Yeah, that's Indonesia. Ate is a rich girl, guys. But you can't spend that here. You have to go back to Indonesia. Bali, Indonesia, yes. Bait na niya ang ate natin. Pag nagigising si D, kinukuha niya dun. Kahapon ginawa niya din. So siya na, kinakarga niya si D bababa. Kung ayaw ni D bumaba mag-isa.
Mama,
Yes?
look what I want. I don't want it.
What don't you want? Ayla, you've got really fresh oranges. I got it yesterday.
I want it.
So good.
They look fresh.
They are very fresh, yeah.
How fresh are they?
Fresh from Costco.
100%?
100% fresh, yes, that's right. Ayla, do you want oranges and apples or oranges and grapes? You ate the grapes yesterday. Apple and grapes. Alo, how about you? What fruits do you want? Choose two. We've got kiwi, banana, apples, oranges.
Banana.
Banana and choose two, I said. Grapes. May, you can choose one more fruit because I'll just put the banana outside your lunchbox. What else?
Apple.
Apple. Peel. Do you want me to peel it and cut it or just peel it?
Cut it.
Cut it and peel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Hello. Eat all your fruits, huh? I'm gonna put the banana in your lunch bag, not in your box because it won't fit. But you will see it when you open it, okay? So there's banana, there's apple, and grapes. You have to eat it all because you know the drill.
Let's see it in the right now.
Yeah, I'll let you see it.
Not yet.
I'll put it in now, but I'm not finished with your lunch yet. But I can put. You want to choose the banana? Choose the banana. Which one do you want me to put in your lunch bag?
The middle one because I have it.
The middle one because you love Indy.
Yeah, because in the middle child.
No!
Middle child.
She's not the middle child.
You.
She's the youngest child.
You're
You are the middle.
Okay.
Youngest. This one.
Youngest one.
Okay.
Banana.
I know. Kuya loves you. Kuya loves you. We love you. No, she loves you. You love ate, don't you? Banana? No. Not yet. She wants to eat banana now. Eat your food. You?
Yes, look.
You gotta do your reading as well, ate. You need to practice your writing, Kuya.
The dog.
I'll write your name and then you copy it, okay?
Dornbach. Can you just like turn Mommy? A coffee. Secret potion. No, you can't. No. Dummy. Mommy, I'll share this for Indy.
Okay, you want to give me a straw?
Okay. Mommy, what that? Beat.
H-O N huh? Okay. Honey.
Beat. Honey, like but
Alright, you're almost done with your food. I'll get you close, okay?
it's not there. Sleep talking that came in this. Oh, come on down and listen to guys.
Right. This one, start from the top, line down, okay? To connect the dots. And then this one, what do? You go around like that. And then this one, okay? You do that to all of them. So from top to bottom, yeah. So you connect the dots. That's all you have to do. Yeah, or inside. Do your best. So start with this one here. This one is next. You want braids? You wanna read this back?
And on Roseman's wallet, he's in he's
Yung isa nagpa-practice magsulat.
this one.
Yay! Yung isa nagbabasa. Yung isa naman. Oh! Good job, Eden! She's drawing! Akala ko nanonood lang siya ng TV. Sabihin ko sana yung isa. Relaxing lang, nood ng TV. Hindi pala. Background lang yung TV, tapos she's drawing. Good job! Are you copying your ate and kuya?
Mommy,
Huh?
what does the dog say?
Sheep.
Sheep,
Yeah, this is same as the title. Yeah.
sheep, pet.
You wanted braid, did you?
Yeah.
2
What
braids?
is this one? The sheep.
Yeah, so cute.
Banana.
Yes. Yeah. Good job, mate. See? Now you're getting used to it.
I did it. Mommy.
Yeah. Huh?
Mommy.
What do you want?
I did it.
Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Do it to all of them.
So guys, these tricky words are really hard for me. So that's why I'm upper level. So this is the first I'm doing number 13. Mom, that's number 12.
Yep, sige.
Sean,
Okay.
Bear, Friend, School.
Girl! Seriously? So good.
So, your G, A, E, N. Again?
Yes.
Wait, I want to do it again. So, you're again. E,
Do the sounds.
O, the, A, Y, tie.
Today.
Today. Hi.
Okay, again.
Again.
Yep.
Today.
Yep.
Harm your soul. Again.
Yep.
Again, and again. Today. Harm, Charlotte. Your. Today, again.
Yep.
Today, again.
Ears. Mouth. Lips. Nose. Yes. Eyes. Yep. Eyes. Where's head? Head. Eyes. Hi guys, we will have lunch. It is 11:30 something. So we will eat green beans. We have a little bit of green beans left. Yeah. You love green beans, don't you? Okay. Eyes. Okay, mommy feed you, okay? Okay, let's go. Sana pumayag siyang subuan ko siya because this is gonna be messy. We have fresh rice as well. Pika. Woo! Pika. Oh! Ayun na nga. Yun lang. Kakalat yung ating di. That's okay. Tapos na siya kumain, guys. So, it's my turn. Hindi kami nakasabay because sinubuan ko siya. Perfect. Pumayag siyang magpasubo. So, meron pa tayong natirang green beans and inano ko lang, in-air fry ko yung chicken kahapon. Di ba bumili ako nung curry? Yung Japanese curry. Meron siyang chicken, 6 na strips ng chicken. I only had 3 yesterday for lunch. So, I'm air frying the rest and nandito yung curry. I don't think maubos ko yung curry. Apakadaming curry, guys. Bawas na to because I had some nga yesterday. Now, I don't know if I'll have the curry. I think I'll have just the chicken and then ang ating leftover na beans. Ayan, tapos na. Kunin ko lang. Ito yung chicken. So, tingnan nyo, malaki. And 6 yung laman. So, para sa akin, hindi siya pang isang kainan talaga. Oh my gosh, naglalaway ako. Ayokong umupo. Kasi kapag umupo ako, si D lumalapit and gustong magpasubo, magkarga kahit na busog na siya. Gusto niya lang karga-karga ko siya while kumakain. So, tayo lang tayo. Okay lang naman ako nakatayo. Kain tayo habang nagkakalat siya dyan. Nakikita niyo ba yung kanyang kalat? But that's okay. That's normal. That's our day-to-day life. Hindi nga ako umupo. Kakasabi ko lang. Ay, itong batang to. Buyag. Buyag. Walang kabusugan. So, bigyan lang natin ng... Sit. You wanna sit there? Oh, here. Good eating. Mauubusan ako ng gulay sa iyo, ah.
Number cute.
Good. Very good job. Love you. I'll put it here on the side, okay? You have it. Yan. This one. Diba? Hindi pa natin nagalaw yung chicken. Sayang naman. Kainin natin chicken, babe. Do you want the chicken? You can have the chicken if you want. Sige. Hot? Hot. Blow. Sige, tulungan mo ako sa chicken. Hot. Okay. Still hot?
Yeah.
I gotcha. Okay, here. Better? Okay. There you go. Good job. Eat the beans. Guys, gawa tayong chicken nuggets na may mga nakatagong mga gulay. So, ginawa ko na to last time and nagustuhan ng mga bata. In fairness, nagustuhan talaga nila. Hindi ko lang na-vlog yun. Last time, yung ginilagay ko sa kanya, zucchini at saka carrots. This time, yung meron ako, carrots at saka celery. Tapos, lagyan din natin ng garlic and onion. Wala akong exact measurement. Minata ko lang siya last time. So, i-prepare ko lang muna yung gulay kasi kailangan ko siyang ilagay sa food processor. So, hindi na ako bumibili ng chicken nuggets sa shops. Kung napapansin niyo sa mga shopping, wala na. Kasi, ako na nga gumagawa. Tapos ito pa, may mga gulay pa, diba? Nandito pala si Dan. Nanood siya ng soccer. See, mata-mata lang talaga to, guys. Tapos, onion. Sabay ko na din dyan. Sabay-sabay na to lahat. Ito. And then, celery. Hugasan lang natin. Alright. Tapos na yung gulay. Yung chicken naman. Chicken powder, Vegeta, pepper, a little bit of sugar, 2 eggs, and then meron pa I know. Breadcrumbs. And then mix. Oh my gosh, malulubat kayo? So nakita niyo naman siguro yung aking breadcrumbs. Medyo malalaki siya for my liking. So gusto ko lang siyang ipino. So, this is what I did last time as well. So, didikdikin ko lang to, guys. So, ito lang yung gagamitin ko. Dapat inuna ko to sa food processor, but ayoko nang maghugas, tas i-dry pa. So, ito na lang. Dikdikin ko dito sa floor. Ayan. Here you go. Guys, ganito ang kadami yung nagawa ko. Saka ako nagprito. Confident ako sa aking seasoning. And perfect na siya. Ang perfect niya. So, ilagay ko siya dito kasi i-bake ko siya guys before ko siya i-freeze. Ang sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Ang dami nating chicken nuggets nito. Last time, hindi kasi ganun kadami. So, yung ginawa ko, freeze ko siya ng hilaw. Actually, tanungin ko si ChatGPT ko ano yung best na gawin. No, that's okay. Yung iba, i-bake ko, tapos i-freeze. Yung iba, i-freeze ko siguro. I don't know, mamaya na natin yan pag-isipan. Tapusin muna natin to. Perfect. Ito yung chicken nuggets natin so far. Ayan. And meron pang natira. Ayan. Nag-stop ako kanina because nagising si Inday. Tinry kong patulugin. Ayaw na niya matulog. So, she's up. She's watching TV. Ilagay natin sa freezer. I looked it up. Tinanong ko si ChatGPT kung ano yung best way to store it. And sabi niya, pwede naman hilaw or luto. Depende na lang sa iyo. It will last up to 3 months. So, ilagay ko muna to sa freezer nang nakaganito. Tapos kapag frozen na siya, saka ko siya ilalagay sa Ziploc. That's what I did last time. So, unahin ko muna to. Transfer natin to. Chideng, 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 chideng. Ay, ang galing. Ay, ang galing. Ay, ang galing. At pakagaling. Nahulog ang iba. Alright. I-fill ko lang yung mga sides and then ilagay ko na din to sa freezer kasi may space pa. So, kanina pa ako gumagawa, diba? The best way to do it is gumamit ng kutsara, kumuha. Ang maganda dito, hindi mo na siya kailangan i-molde. Namumold ko lang siya dito na kapag dinidip ko na siya sa breadcrumbs. So, kumuha lang ako ng amount na gusto ko from the kutsara, ibalik doon. And then, see, hindi mo na siya kailangan i-mold. Dito na lang. Dito ko na lang siya fina-flat habang kinukoat sa breadcrumbs. And ganun lang. Sobrang dali lang. Tapos ano pa, dry pa yung isang kamay ko. So, ganun lang. Kuha. And then, diretso dito. Again, walang mold. Dito ka na. Basta ma-flat lang siya. And chicken nuggets na chicken nuggets yung forma, diba? Ayan. Baby. So, ang perfect kasi meron pa akong isang kamay na dry. Na kung may kailangan si D, hindi ka aligaga na mag-wash. Tapos, balik na naman. Alam mo yun? Kayang-kaya. Perfect. Hoy! Put it back. Put it back. Thank you. Do you want more chicken nuggets? I have more here. Meron pa, oh. Here, do you want some? Kumain na siya, eh. Alam niya naman to. Lagi na uuna. Here. What do you say? Just get one. Get one. Alright. Oh, good. Here's that leg. Hi guys! Nakapajamas na kami. Tapos na kami maligo. I know. Wait. We will have hot chocolate. Nag-promise ako sa mga bata ng hot chocolate. Yung akin, yung from Higgs. Tapos yung sa mga bata, ito. Late na. It's not really late. It's 8:15 ata. Dumating na sila galing swimming. Nag-dinner na kami. And yung chicken nuggets yung ulam ng mga bata na gustuhan nila, guys. Pasadong-pasado. Ang sarap-sarap daw. Hindi nilang nila alam kung ano yung laman. So, ang perfect nun. Kung gusto nyo yun itry. Naglagay ako ng celery, ha? Hindi naman kasi talaga din siya nalalasahan. So, ang perfect lang nun. Ang dami kong nagawa. Nakatatlong bags ako. Pakita ko sa inyo. Look. Ang dami, diba? So, nakita nyo naman sa clip kanina na nakalatag siya pa isa-isa sa malaking plato. Freeze ko siya ng ganun para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. And I think it was in the freezer for a couple hours. At nung frozen na siya ng konti, ayun na, nilagay ko na siya sa bags. So, ayan na siya. Para na talaga siyang like chicken nuggets na mabibili mo sa shops. Ano lang to ha? Dalawang malalaking chicken breast. Tapos isang malaking carrot. Tapos yung celery nga na nakita nyo kanina. Breadcrumbs. Tapos yung seasoning na i-add mo. Dalawang itlog. Yun lang. Ang dami-dami na nito. It will last you 3 months daw sa freezer, sabi ni ChatGPT. So, okay na, diba? Yes?
Are we making more chocolate?
I am, yes.
Let's see what. What is it? What's in here?
It's in the... Careful, careful, careful. It's the hot chocolate. See, it's ready now. Alright, down, down.
That smells good.
I know, it is the hot chocolate.
Mommy.
Yes. Alright, get your cup, baby. Get your cup. The plastic cup, Alo, get it. Mate, down. Down, Alo. Can you get your plastic cup?
Mommy, get me down. I'll get it.
Yeah, get your plastic cup.
What is it?
There, in the second drawer. Two, I need 2. 3 na natin. Get another one, please, Alo.
Marshmallows. Oh, dang it.
You forgot.
No, I don't want this on it.
Share with Isla. She's being really nice to you today. Alright, ready? Alright.
Mom,
Okay. Alright, excuse me. Can I do it, please? Hindi na ako naka-vlog kanina kasi nagta-transfer ako ng files. Tapos napo-full na naman yung memory ng MacBook ko. Naiinis ako. Do you need marshmallow?
yeah, like, well, can you put it in?
Mm-hmm. Alright.
You put the marshmallow in?
Yep.
No, we didn't.
1.
We put, no.
Ayla! Hot chocolate, babe! How many marshmallow?
About 30.
Wow!
That's so much hot chocolate.
Yeah, there. Oh.
Okay.
You have that? Yeah, I'll give you yours. Where's your straw? Alam na niya yung kanya eh. So yung kanya, nilalagyan ko ng gatas. Maraming gatas. Tapos,
Mommy.
ito na yung iniinom niya. Sinustro ko lang.
Daddy. Mama.
Yes, yes.
I was going to be told.
Really? Wow, Alo.
Hey, cry a little bit.
Daddy.
Sit, I'm sitting. I need to cut your nails, okay? Why not? Why not? Nails are very, very long. I can see it. Is it yummy? Wow. You lucky girl. Is it very yum? Love you. You smell good. Almost finished. Wow. Oh, good job. Well done. Well done. No more. What do you say? You're welcome.
Good night, guys. I got blue.
What?
I love you.
Aww. We love you too, Alo.
I love mommy too.
Ah. Alright, let's go. You gonna bring mommy's water?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're a strong boy. See? Very strong. You have play date tomorrow. You ready for that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We go to the playground in the big side with the cousins and play day.
Cousins on Sunday. Tomorrow is with your school friends.
And then where we going?
We're going to the park. I know, right? Isn't that amazing?